TORCA hat. And we need our impartial judge here. Tana Von Isser. Awesome.
Oh,
she's not here today,
here.
but she won the hat. Awesome. All right. First prize is the Club Ride jacket that Kimmy's modeling. Not to worry, it is brand new with tags.
I just got cold.
She just got cold. So, prize number 4.
Oh, Danny Levitt.
Danny Levitt. Awesome.
Oh, sweet.
I told you
You
we
guys
know
are
all
ready.
these people. All right, so now we're at the 3rd place prize for a ride in the Strunk Brothers Racing Trophy Truck. Secretly hoping I win this one. I can't.
Oh, Dawn Hines, who just signed up today. Donna? Remember?
Donna
No
Hines?
way.
Dawn Hines.
Dawn Hines. Dawn Hines. Are you around, Dawn?
She's here somewhere.
Awesome. She'll be excited.
That's crazy.
All right, now we're to the nitty-gritty, the big stuff. Anybody else want to sign up? Last chance.
Fire.
This is for Angel Fire Bike Park, a trip to Angel Fire Bike Park.
Oh, Jordan Oldham.
Jordan?
Right on, man.
Jordan wins the trip to Angel Fire. It was a last-minute entry too, right?
Not from last year's.
Oh, what are you doing? All right, hang on. We need a little drum roll. This is for the grand prize. We're gonna fly you to Whistler, BC. Hotel. You're also gonna get 3 days lift tickets and 3 days rentals, bike rentals at Whistler Bike Park. And that's going to be for 2 people. The bike rentals and the lift tickets is for 2 people. So if you like your friend enough, they can scoop up a plane ticket and join you in Whistler. All right? Here we go for the trip to Whistler.
Just say the number first. What?
No way.
No!
Wins them both? That's what it is, man.
How do you feel? Whoa, paparazzi everywhere.
Nice work, man. You got the golden hand. Yeah, you are. You're going to have a busy summer, man.
I don't know.
Not doing friends? Thanks, everybody. Thanks for the support. We'll continue to work hard for you. Moving dirt.
Dude,
You need to go buy a lottery ticket now.
I never win anything. Seriously. Like, ever.
That's awesome, man. So I have the Angel Fire. We gotta get a picture so we can post that.
yeah, for
Because
sure.
that's crazy. So I have the. This is kind of how it works. I'll give you the Angel Fire. It's all in an envelope. They just send it. You got both? I'll give you that. And then the
Dude, he got both.
It has to be booked taken by the end of the next summer. So you got a year to well, a summer to go. We're gonna get you airfare, we're gonna get you the lift tickets, the rental, and the hotel. So the only thing you'll be responsible for is a transportation to the park.